Hey there, I'm Victoriano Hernandez. I'm the executive chef of Fooq's, and today we're cooking up Wild Fork Foods pork chop. Right now we're making Fesenjan, which is walnuts, pomegranate molasses, butternut squash, and onions. Alright, so we're gonna start off with hot butter. That's a good thing about pureeing stuff, because you can just forget about it. Looks great. For something this beautiful, all you're gonna use is just salt. With something with a great fat content like this, you just wanna make sure you rend it all out. You go right into a dry pan. And that's what we're looking for right there. This nice caramelization. Can't be scared of what's going on. If you get hurt, you get hurt. You live. Looks great. I don't want to do anything to it. You know? Look at that. It's great, dude. I don't want to touch it at all. And you always save one piece for yourself. Find the entire recipe on thehungrypost.com. Hope you enjoyed.